This is Product Station. Real reviews. No hype. Just facts. Product details are linked in the video description box. Click the link in the description box to purchase any product of your choice easily. Compact PC case with tempered glass, Type-C port, strong cooling, and support for high-performance GPUs. Ideal for gaming or storage builds. Number 5. Zhenjie D32 Pro Black mATX Small Form Factor PC Case. Description. Upgrade your setup with the Zhenjie D32 Pro Black mATX PC Case, a premium small form factor desktop chassis built with durable steel and tempered glass. Designed for mini-ITX and micro-ATX motherboards, it supports ATX/SFX PSU, up to 365mm GPUs, and 240mm water cooling radiators. The adjustable motherboard layout, smart cable management, and efficient airflow make it perfect for gaming, workstation, or compact high-performance builds. Sleek, modern, and space-saving, this case delivers style and power for today's PC enthusiasts. Product details. Compact premium build, rugged SPCC steel frame plus tempered glass side panel. Motherboard support, micro-ATX, mini-ITX, and back-connect layout compatible. Efficient cooling options. Supports up to 240mm AIO radiator and multiple 120/140mm fans. Number 4. Train Zhenjie G1 mATX PC Case. Description. Bring natural style and high performance together with the Train Zhenjie G1 mATX desktop case. Featuring a unique wooden front panel and tempered glass side, this case blends modern design with efficient airflow. It supports micro-ATX and mini-ITX motherboards, full-size ATX/SFX PSU, GPUs up to 365mm, and water cooling radiators up to 360mm. With USB Type-C connectivity, smart cable management, and premium materials, the Zhenjie G1 is the perfect compact chassis for gaming PCs, creative workstations, or stylish home setups. Number 3. Unorth UE S6 Mini ITX NAS Chassis. Description. The Unorth UE S6 is a compact DIY NAS chassis designed for mini ITX motherboards, perfect for building your own storage server or home lab. With 6 hot swap drive bays and an integrated backplane, it offers quick access and reliable storage expansion. This small form factor case supports efficient cooling, cable management, and modern connectivity, making it an ideal choice for personal cloud storage, media servers, or small business data centers. Number 2. Valkyrie VK03 mATX Gaming PC Case. Description. The Valkyrie VK03M is a next-generation micro-ATX gaming PC case designed for performance and style. Featuring a stunning 270° panoramic glass panel and a built-in 6.2-inch LCD touchscreen, this case redefines how you showcase and control your system. It supports high-performance cooling with up to 360mm water cooling radiators, multiple fan mounts, and efficient airflow design. With versatile hardware compatibility, modern I/O ports, and a unique C-view room layout, the VK03M delivers premium aesthetics and powerful functionality for gamers, streamers, and PC enthusiasts. Number 1. Zhenjie Z20 mATX/ATX Small Form Factor PC Case. Description. The Zhenjie Z20 is a 20L compact ATX/mATX PC case designed for portability and performance. With a detachable handle for easy transport, this case is ideal for LAN parties, travel, and small space gaming setups. It supports high-performance hardware, including 163mm air coolers, full-size graphics cards, and ATX power supplies. Featuring a sleek modern design with efficient airflow, front I/O Type-C connectivity, and durable steel construction, the Zhenjie Z20 offers the perfect balance of portability, style, and functionality. Enjoyed the review? Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.